Hi there, my name is Miss Crew McKenzie, and I am a painter that also happens to be a full-time pinup model. Welcome to my channel where we celebrate the beautiful and the creative. Come with me as I teach you how to make creativity out of mediums like charcoal, paint, makeup, and hair. Come with me to trade tattoo services today. First, I did my makeup and got ready, and then I went ahead and packed my tattoo travel bag. If you're interested in learning how to do that, there is a video that I just posted about it. And then I went ahead and headed to the shop. The shop was maybe about 15 minutes away from me, so it wasn't that bad. I pulled up to Nails by Taya. She's currently located in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we began our session. So for our session, I went first. She just did a cute little nail set on me that took about an hour and a half. This is the end result. When I do trades, I like to keep the services the same amount of time so everybody gets a fair deal out of it. So after she did my nails, we began on her tattoos. The tattoos were very tiny that I did on her, but it was the equivalent to the same amount of time that she did for my nails. So in total, she was able to get 3 little small tattoos, 2 lettering pieces, and this sun and moon piece. She sat incredibly well. The first one was just a quick stencil, and then the second 2 I had to freehand on her because I like to freehand my lettering. And here's the end result. I love doing service trades because it gives me a chance to get to know local business owners and for them to get to know me. All in all, it was a great experience and I had so much fun. Thank you, Taya.